In this video, we will be going over how to activate and deactivate the emergency stop feature, the e-stop button on the 6100. Your joystick configuration may vary, but located near the operator interface passenger side, the 6100 has an emergency stop feature called the e-stop button. The e-stop button can be activated by pressing and pushing in the red button. After activating the e-stop button, you will see a red emergency stop activated message displayed on your screen, along with buzzer sounds. It is important to note you are able to cancel the e-stop, but doing so once all personnel are safe and clear from moving machinery. To cancel the e-stop, rotate the red e-stop button clockwise until it pops back out. Following this action, you will proceed to see a pop-up on your screen with an e-stop cleared, system reactivating warning message. Hitting the navigation stick will reactivate the hydraulic functions, joysticks, and spreader functions to allow you to proceed as normal. To recap, the 6100 is equipped with an emergency stop feature that will immediately shut off all outputs. Push in the red e-stop button during an emergency. This will shut off outputs and enter the system into standby mode. Once all personnel are clear, twist the e-stop button clockwise and press the navigation stick to resume system outputs.